Hey guys, let us dive into the SCUBAPRO Spectra Snorkel in sleek black and silver. This snorkel features a large bore upper tube with a semi-dry top to deflect surface splash. The corrugated silicone lower tube lets the comfortable mouthpiece hang out of the way when you switch to your regulator. A strategically positioned purge valve at the lowest point effortlessly handles any water entering the airway. You will love the regulator-style mouthpiece with good bite tabs for extended snorkeling adventures. Plus, the exclusive paint process delivers truly stylish duotone colors you will want to show off. Grab yours today and upgrade your next underwater expedition. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.